Igbo ekene munu nke onye chiri ka o zelu. Today is 3rd of February 2026. I want to let you know something. I want to let you know something very important. You get that? Islam and Christianity. I want to come cover why Islam is definitely going to dominate in Igbo land very soon. The reason why Islam, no matter how you try to do that, no matter how you try to attack Islam or threaten the Igbo Muslims, Islam is going to dominate Igbo land very, very soon. Why do I say that? Listen very carefully, you understand? You know, it's possible that you might not believe me, you might not accept my analysis and my opinion, but I pray that every one of us live to see it come to pass. First of all, the reason why Islam is going to dominate Igbo land very soon, majority of the Igbo Muslims are now attacking Islam based on propaganda and lies. You understand? You guys, the Igbo Muslims, are attacking Islam based on propaganda. Everything you guys are talking about Islam is not true. You get that? So, and no lies can last. Propaganda doesn't last. It must fail. Propaganda doesn't last. You understand? You guys are promoting your own religion, defending your own religion based on lies as well. You see that a lot of Christians, a lot of the Igbos are defending their religion and they are not even convinced about their own religion. You understand? So definitely it's not going to work on Islam that is based on truth. You are attacking Islam based on lies. You understand me? Everything you are talking about Islam is just what the media told you, what the enemies of Islam told you. So definitely it's not going to work on the side of Islam because Islam is rooted with truth, with pure truth, nothing else. So another way you must understand that Islam is going to dominate Igbo land. You have put on the light of Islam in Igbo land by yourself. This recent attack and threat against the Igbo Muslim has really ignited, it has put the light of Islam, it has exposed, it has brought Islam to a limelight. Everyone, many Igbo people have come to know that there are Igbo Muslims. Of course, this is the pure truth. If you like, you accept it. If you don't like, that truth is life, it's me. I tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. I don't tell you the truth to please you. I don't tell you the truth to entertain you or to please myself. I tell you the truth to hear it and live to see it come to pass. You see, you have used your own hand, your own resources, your own strength to promote Islam, to raise Islam in Igbo land. You understand? A lot of Igbo Muslims have existed for centuries, for decades, for many years, over 100 years. Islam has existed in Igbo land and nobody knows. A lot of people don't know that there are real Muslims, born Muslims, a lot of them. Many people are great-grandfathers in Islam. I was debating with somebody on her platform. I told her, what of Abdulaziz Ude that Oliver the Cook used to sing? He was a born Muslim. His father was a born Muslim. All his children are still Muslims. You understand? But you guys, you don't want to accept that, or you keep on looking sideways and forgetting those. Here is an example of a Muslim, Alhaji Abdulaziz Ude from Anambra State. And so many of them like that. Go to Oka and see a lot of Anambras who are Muslims, who are born Muslims. So, for the fact that you began to attack Islam has opened the eyes of a lot of Igbos who are seeking for the truth, who want to know the truth. There are a lot of Igbos who are seeking for the truth. They don't mind. You see, so many Igbos now are making research about Islam. So very soon they are coming out with the truth. They are going to be convinced. One thing about Islam, once you go into research about Islam, you will definitely see the truth. That is why they close the eyes, the sense, the mind, everything about the Igbos, not to even make research about Islam. You see that? They told you lies and also force you, destroy you not to research about the lies they told you. Because they know that if you go and make research, definitely you find out that they told you lies. You get that? So for you to wake up and start attacking Islam and threatening Muslims, Igbo Muslims, saying that you are not going to allow Islam in Igbo land, this has opened room for a lot of Igbos to start making research. Can you see the number of Igbos on TikTok right now? There are a lot of Igbo Muslims on TikTok right now coming out. I never knew them. I never knew that. Even me, I'm surprised. A lot of Igbo Muslims, Igbo young Muslim ladies, men, a lot of them coming out now to tell you that we are proud of being Igbo Muslims. Do you get that? So you have used your hand to promote Islam in Igbo land. So definitely very soon, Islam is going to dominate in Igbo land. Lastly, every one of you, if you like, you deny this. If you don't like, this is a fact, undeniable fact. Fact beyond fact. Evidence is there that Christianity has collapsed in Igbo land. People, the Igbos, are abandoning Christianity. For example, you know Catholic Church. 80s, late 80s and early 90s, you know how Catholic Church used to flow. When the Catholic Church first mass, the first service in Catholic Church, you know the number of crowd. We are living in a barrier junction, so many Catholic Church. Whenever they close their first mass, no road. The number of people for over 1 hour, people will be flowing and passing. People who have, the number is awesome. Now, go and watch any Catholic church around you. You will not see anybody. When they close service, just few number of people coming out from the churches. Likewise, other churches. You understand? Deeper Life, you know the number of people. When Deeper Life does their camp, you know what is happening. Now, people are abandoning. A lot of Christians, a lot of Igbos are coming out to tell you that we are no longer interested in Christianity. A lot of them, Christianity is collapsing in their own domain, in Christian-dominated areas. This is a fact. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? That definitely in few years to come, a lot of people, if you mention Christianity, you will be like a fool. People are going to look like a fool. Then what of Islam? Is Islam collapsing in Muslim-dominated areas? No. Despite the attack, despite the lies, despite the propaganda, despite the killings, has Islam, reduced in Muslim states like Kano, Kaduna, Katsina, Bauchi, a lot of the Muslim states, is Islam, is Muslim denouncing Islam the way Christians are denouncing Christianity? Tell yourself the truth. Answer this question. No. Now, what is happening? Islam is now infiltrating, it's now growing, it's now rising in Christian-dominated areas. Now, the Igbos are afraid that Islam is dominating the Igbo land. They are now waking up to threaten, to attack, to unalive the Igbo Muslims because of why Igbos are taking over. A lot of Igbos are converting to Islam. Like me, I wasn't born a Muslim, but now I'm a proud Muslim coming out to tell you this. Chikakati wasn't born a Muslim. A lot of the Igbo Muslims that are coming out on social media, they wasn't born Muslims. They are converts. What does that tell you? That Islam is growing in Christian-dominated area. This is a fact. I don't care whether you believe it. I don't care whether you accept it. But this is a fact. I'm telling you. This is a fact. You must go back and sit down to think. You must go back and tell yourself the truth. Some of you call me mad, crazy, I don't know what I'm talking about. But this is a fact, I'm telling you. Islam is dominating, it's rising in Igbo land. Islam is rising in Muslim areas. Christianity is diminishing in Christian areas. This is a fact. So what does that tell you? That Islam is going to dominate in Igbo land soon. This is not by violence, this is not by any, but by the truth. Because ask yourself, despite the attacks, the lies, Islam is violence, Islam terrorism, people are embracing Islam. People are accepting Islam. This is a fact. You must accept